Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. Make sure you have a verified Google account and a working phone number for verification. Open Chrome or another modern Chromium-based browser because Google Voice performs best there. Once done, sign into your Google account. Grant microphone and notifications permissions when prompted so calls and voicemails work. Then navigate to Google Voice's web app and choose a new number or port your number. This gets you into the actual setup flow immediately. Now you'll configure the core settings. Pick your Google Voice number or follow the porting steps if you're moving an existing number, and provide account verification details. Next, add linked phones under settings so incoming calls ring where you want them, and set voicemail greeting and transcription preferences. This ensures messages route correctly. Make sure to test microphone and speaker selection in call settings and tweak forwarding rules and spam filters so calls, texts, and voicemails behave exactly the way you need them to. Finish by actively using Google Voice. Place a test call and send a text to confirm call quality, message delivery, and voicemail transcription. Once you verify basic functions, explore call recording, do not disturb scheduling, and integration with Google Meet for a polished workflow. If things go wrong, first check browser microphone and notification permissions and clear the cache. If that fails, sign out and back in or try an incognito window. If porting issues persist, contact Google Voice support through the Help menu for account-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.